vinaka, ko Stephen toku ingoa. My name is Stephen.
And mōrena Te Anau SCHOOL, ko Samu ahau. I'm Samu. Welcome to the morning report for Pare, the 25th of June.
Let's get into it. Te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is whare, which is te reo Māori for house.
As in te fuddy ki uta, which is the name of our new hall, and that's where I'm dancing my socks off next Thursday.
Okay, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating from 12:30, Graden Crafts are meeting outside room 9 with all year 1s to 4.
There's capture the flag on the Kindy field for year 4 to 6.
And outside game for everyone meeting at the running track. Have fun, koutou.
And if you can't remember what's happening, check out the activities whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime.
Kapai, health and safety news. A reminder about washing or sanitizing your hand before eating. Stay safe, everyone.
Okay, boss news. Especially if after school today you have rugby, tennis, dance, art or music.
Students not on the bus after school. Reminder to mark yourself off the bus, and if you already done it, kapai.
Okay, yesterday we had most students using the bike racks. Please remember to park your bikes in the bike racks.
Disco news, everybody. Now that we've seen our new hall, it's time to party in it.
1 week away, the theme is heroes and I can't wait.
Okay, one birthday at Te Anau SCHOOL. Today's Mia Rose in room 2. She is officially double digit 10.
Yep, Rafano, Mia Rose, happy birthday.
And year 6 polo plunge reminder, lollies. Please, Eli, Fern, Kira, Mari, Nina, Quinn, Quentin, Stephen, Zoe, Amu, Mackenzie, and Amish. Take them to the office, please.
And tomorrow is last senior club day for the term.
Bye club. Remember, it's 1:15 start. Kapai.
Lastly, tomorrow is Ramere, and we all know that means sausage sizzle day. So remember your gold coins go to the cafe block first thing.
Now, if you missed on any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Goodbye.
And from everyone here at the Morning Report team, Pika Ki Katamata.